Hi, friends. All right, so we read our book, Feeling Scared, and now it is time to think, talk, and draw. So for this activity, you will need paper, and you can use crayons or a marker or pencil. I am going to use crayons. All right, so our book was about feeling scared. Can you make your face look like Mrs. Ross? I am so scared. Oh, maybe I just hide my face. We talked about what things make us feel scared and who we talk to when we feel scared. So now we are going to think, talk, and draw what makes us feel scared. Oh, right. So here's my question. There's a question mark. Let me show you my question mark. So I know it's a question. Here we go. What makes you feel scared? Scared. Okay, so first we think. Let's think. What makes you feel scared? Scared. How do I know when I feel scared? I remember from the book, it said when my heart beats fast and when I really want to run and I just want to leave or scream or cry. Oh, I remember what makes me feel scared. So now it is time to talk. We raise our hand or we talk to somebody with us in our home or wherever we are. Or we whisper it to ourselves or to a stuffed animal next to us. So I'm going to raise my hand, and nobody's here with me right now, so I'm going to whisper to my stuffy. What makes me feel scared is sometimes when I have to go to bed at night and the lights get turned off. That makes me feel scared. Okay, so now it's your turn to talk. What makes you feel scared? You can pause here and tell us. Oh, that is so scary. Okay, so we talked about it. Now it's time to draw it. Number 3. So we are going to draw what makes us feel scared. So are you going to draw what Mrs. Roth said? No, you have your own ideas, your own genius ideas, and you are going to draw those. So if you said going to the doctor makes you scared, you draw the doctor. If you said going to school makes you kind of scared, you will draw school. So let's do that now. I am going to show you my paper while I draw, and you can do yours too. There's my head and my arms. And I've got maybe my scared face. Let's try. Let's see on our screens. What does our face look like scared? My eyes get big. My eyebrows get kind of crazy. Maybe you have your mouth open or... Okay, so I want to see that in your picture. Draw your scared face. Big, wide eyes. I think my mouth is kind of open. Here, I'll show you my face. That's my scared face. And I said the dark is what scares me. So I'm going to use my color black. Good. My color black. All around me. That's all the dark. You're drawing your picture while I'm drawing mine. All right. There's my picture. I'm happy with it. I'm done. I'm proud. So I'm going to talk to the person next to me, or like I did, my stuffed animal. I show them my creation. That's me being afraid of the dark. So show yours. When we feel scared, we said in our book, instead of screaming or running or crying, what can we do? When we feel scared, what can we do instead of screaming or crying? Because sometimes if we're in school, we can't do those things. So what can we do? If you have an idea, you can say it now. Oh, good. We can take deep breaths. We can do our birthday cake candle breaths. We can do our airplane. Breathe in your nose. Or we can do what Tucker does. Here's my friend Tucker. Tucker, when he gets scared, instead of screaming or crying, he stops, thinks about what he's scared about, and he tucks in his shell, tuck, 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 and he breathes 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, do you feel better, Tucker? Yep. All right, Tucker's saying bye, and we'll see you at school. Bye.